Hi everyone, today we're checking out the FEETE 12.5FT telescoping ladder made from premium aluminum for lightweight durability and a strong 330-pound capacity. This ladder features a self-locking mechanism that clicks securely into place, ensuring safe and quick height adjustments. Its triangular stabilizers and anti-slip feet provide excellent stability, reducing wobbling during use. The ladder extends smoothly from 3.5 to 15.5 feet, perfect for tasks like cleaning windows, painting, or accessing attics. It folds compactly with easy-to-use latches and includes comfortable handles and tie-down ropes for effortless portability. Certified to N131 safety standards, this ladder combines robust design with user-friendly features. Whether for home or outdoor use, it's a versatile tool built to make your projects safer and easier. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.